This video tutorial I will explain HTTP request. HTTP request is like a message that your web browser sends to the web server when you want to get information from a website. It is how your device asks the server to give you particular web page or data. Now we will see what happens during HTTP request. The step 1 is you want to see the web page. Let's say you are using web browser and decide to visit the website. You type the website address or click on the link, and that is when your request starts. The step 2 is your request is sent. When you do this, your browser sends a message to the server where the website is stored. This message is your HTTP request. Third step is what you are asking for. In your request, you are telling the server which web page or information you want. It is like saying, "Hey server, I would like to see the homepage of google.com please." The step 4 is server response. The server is like a helpful librarian, receives your request, it looks up the information you asked for. If it finds the information which you asked for, then it packages it up and send it back to your web browser. The fifth step is you see the web page. Your web browser then take this information and display it on your screen. You can now see the web page and all its content, just like you asked for. We can think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what do you want from the menu, and the kitchen prepares your order and serves it to you. In this analogy, waiter is nothing but your browser, and menu is nothing but website, and kitchen is nothing but web server. So HTTP request is the way your device talks to the web server to get web pages and data you want from the internet. It is how you navigate and interact with websites every day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.